everybody, welcome to the second episode of Drinks with Mike. Today we are doing another Disney-inspired drink from Fairy Tale Cocktails. If you missed last week's episode, we did a cinnamony drink called One with Nature. I'll put the link here if you want to click on it and watch last week's episode. Now let's go ahead and make this week's drink. It's called Belle of the Ball. All right, the ingredients you need are a martini glass. If you noticed last week, I had a rocks glass, which the garnishment didn't really stick to the side. So this one's a little bit more angled. I found it on Amazon. Pretty cool glass, looks pretty. If you want to buy them, put a link down below. They were $20 for 12. Way more than I need, but it's what it is. Chocolate liquor or chocolate vodka. Creme de Banana. Chocolate syrup. Milk. Whipped cream. And yellow food coloring to give it a yellow tint because it's after Belle. Our drink, however, because we're using chocolate liquor, the liquor's brown and the yellow food coloring doesn't really work. It came out a tan color last time, so we're not even gonna bother, but if you use chocolate vodka, it's gonna come out yellow and it'll look pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and make our drink. First things first, with clean hands, put some ice in a strainer or in a shaker cup. And then the ingredients are 1.5 ounces of chocolate liquor, 1 ounce of creme de banana, 3.5 ounces of milk, which we already measured out. And then right here is where you put your food coloring in to give it that yellow tint. But as I said, ours is already brown. It's not gonna come out, so I'm not even gonna bother. All right, you shake it up. And then for your cup, what you're supposed to do is put chocolate in the bottom and kind of just swirl it up. The glass is supposed to be frozen or chilled so that the chocolate sticks, but this is our second time making it, so my first glass is already gone. And then you strain the drink into the cup. And then you top it off with whipped cream. And there's the drink, Belle of the Ball. This is a really good drink. It's a lot sweeter than last week's, and I highly recommend it. I could see me having 2 or 3 of these in a night just because they're that good and they go down pretty easy. So thanks for watching. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and ring the bell and subscribe so you can be notified of our next video next weekend. So have a good night.